Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook semolina porridge. To begin, gather your ingredients for this delightful breakfast, ensuring everything is within reach. You will need 2 cups of your preferred milk, a 1/4 cup of fine semolina, and 2 teaspoons of sugar for sweetness. For an extra touch, consider a tiny pinch of salt or a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. These simple items form the foundation for a warm and comforting bowl, perfect for any time of day. Now, let us prepare the base for our delicious porridge. Pour 2 cups of your chosen milk into a medium saucepan. Add a 1/4 cup of semolina, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and your optional pinch of salt. Whisk these ingredients vigorously until well combined and smooth, ensuring no dry semolina remains. This initial mixing is key to achieving a creamy, lump-free consistency later on as the heat activates the semolina. Now it is time to cook our porridge to perfection. Place your saucepan over medium heat, remembering to stir continuously to prevent sticking. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then immediately reduce the heat to low. Continue to cook for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring frequently until the porridge thickens. It will achieve a creamy, luscious texture and pull cleanly from the sides of the pan, indicating it is perfectly done and ready. Once your porridge has reached its ideal consistency, remove it from the heat. Now is the perfect moment to stir in a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract or a small pat of butter for added richness if you like. Serve your warm, comforting semolina porridge immediately in individual bowls. Customize each serving with your favorite toppings, perhaps some fresh berries, a drizzle of maple syrup, or a touch of ground cinnamon. Enjoy this delicious, homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.